So students of class 7th, now we are going to study chapter rational number. This is the new chapter, students. So numbers of the type p upon q are called rational numbers. So students, as you studied fractions, numerator upon denominator, so any number of the type numerator upon denominator are called rational numbers, but numerator and denominator both have to be integers. You know, students, what are integers? Actually, integers are all numbers, all counting numbers, and their negatives together with 0 are called integers. As you have studied integer line, this 0, 1, 2, 3, all counting numbers, negative of counting numbers together with 0, all these numbers are called integers. -6, -7, -8, or +6, +7, +7, 8, all these numbers are integers. So integer upon integer are called rational numbers, but denominator has not to be 0. If denominator is 0, it becomes unknown quantity, or infinite or undefined, we can say. If 0 is in the denominator, it means it is undefined, so it will not be a rational number. 0 can be in the numerator but cannot be in the denominator. Now student, standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational number, if the denominator is not negative. If denominator of any rational number is non-negative, then we can say that it is in standard form. And if it has to be in the lowest form, it has to be in the lowest form. Actually, -8 upon 10 is not a is not in standard form, because 8 and 10 both are divisible by 2. We can divide it by 2, 4 is 8, 2, 5 is 10. So -4 upon 5, it will be in standard form. So students, you can see here 3 upon -5, it is not in standard form because denominator is negative. -7 upon -8, here denominator is negative, so not in standard form. Here -12 is negative, so not in standard form. Similarly students, we can find the equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers means if we have given a rational number and if we find same other rational numbers which are equivalent to 2 upon 5, which are equal to 2 upon 5. So how do we find, students? We find equivalent rational numbers by multiplying or by dividing by the same number. If we have a rational number 2 upon 5, so we can multiply numerator and denominator both by same number, multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2, so we get 4 upon 10. So 4 upon 10 is an equivalent rational number of 2 upon 5. It means 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 10 both are equal. Similarly students, we can find another equivalent rational number multiplying by 3 in both numerator and denominator. Similarly, we can find by multiplying by 4 and 4, so we get 8 upon 20. 8 upon 20 is, and 6 upon 15 and 4 upon 10. All these three rational numbers are equivalent to 2 upon 5. Similarly students, we can multiply by 5, by 6, by 7, by 8. We can find infinite number of equivalent rational numbers. So students, find 5 rational numbers of -4 upon 7. You have to do this question yourself. First, you can multiply by 2, numerator and denominator. You will find first rational number. If you multiply by 3 and 3, numerator and denominator, you get another rational number equivalent to this. And similarly, you have to find 5 equivalent rational numbers. Now comes convert into standard form. Now students, if you have given a rational number, first of all we have to find that if any number is in standard form or not. First of all, check the denominator. If denominator is negative, it means it is not in standard form. So how to make it positive? We multiply by a negative number, -1, -1. So we always multiply by -1 to make the denominator positive. So multiplying by -1, -1. So 3 into -1 equal to -3, because if we multiply one positive and one negative quantity, we always get a negative number. And when we multiply two negative numbers, we get a positive number, so it will become positive. Similarly students, -8 upon 9, here 9 minus 9, it is negative. So again, to make it positive, we multiply numerator and denominator both by -1. minus 1, so minus into minus it becomes plus, so 8 1 is 8, minus 9 into minus 1, 9 1 is 9, and it will also be a positive. Now student, I am giving you 3 questions. To make these into standard form, you have to do these 3 questions yourself. Thank you.